Hi friends, I'm Cherie in the wild and I found this little corner here in the Seattle airport. We are waiting for our flight to go to Tokyo, and then we'll be 5 days there, 6 days, and then we will move on to Seoul, Jeju, Busan. And I just wanted to film this little intro. Hope you enjoy this video of my travel on purse that I carry with me. So that's what this video will show you, how I use that, because I'll be using this for 18 days. Okay, this is the travel-on bag that I've had for years. I've used it in Europe, in Asia, around the US. I like it a lot because it does have things in place like this, where when you zip it up, it has a spot here or a hook here that you can hook it onto, and it's hard to pull off. And then it's also slash resistant. So this is the blue one, and I like that it's a cross body versus holding a purse like that. So on the side it has these two pockets here that can zip up and close if you don't want to use it. But I'll be using one side for my umbrella since we are going to Tokyo and Seoul. It is going to be hot. It's the summer. Got to protect ourselves from the sun, especially from skin damage. And then this side I'll have a bottled water. I won't bring my water bottles because it's just too heavy and too bulky. So I found that a regular size bottled water fits, and then I just reuse it. So I try to get the one that has a cap that you pull up and you can close again. And then the strap is adjustable. I think I did a whole review on this bag already, but just wanted to show you for guys who are new to my channel. And then I have my pillow here from Cabo, and I don't want to open that up because I'll have to put it in, but I definitely like a pillow, a travel pillow that has a case, because in that way you can protect your pillow, right? Like, you don't want it all hanging around where all the people have been in the airport or the airplane. And then just for fun, I have a carabiner, and I have my little booklet that I got some photo cards from the Vegas BTS Vegas tour, and I took those out, so I'll have these ready for any army who are going to give me any freebies. I have my little keychain from the HOTS concert that says J-Hope. My friend gave this to me for Vegas day one, and has the Arirang lyrics in the back. So it's a lanyard, and I just tied it up. And then someone gave this too. This is one of my favorite freebies. It's really pretty. It's a keychain in the, you know, the red, black, white color. Sorry, I'm fumbling here. So it says Arirang there. There's a little tassel, a butterfly, okay, and then a little light stick. Isn't that cute? I mean, this is the cutest thing. Then I have Cookie will be going with me for this trip, and also Squirrel Chipmunk. This is from the HOTS concert. Can you see him? Okay. All right. So in the front here is where I'm going to put my phone, just my phone. So I just know that that's where it's at. And then on the back is where I have, so see how it hooks and has that security also. And this actually has slots for your cards and your driver's license. So since I'm flying international, I'm still going to bring my driver's license, because now all of us have to have that that certain card, right? That travel driver's license. Oh gosh, I forgot the name. But anyway, we are flying from Phoenix to Seattle, Seattle to Narita, and from Tokyo we're gonna take Haneda to Gimpo, because we're closer to Haneda, and straight from Gimpo we go to Busan. But we're gonna do an overnight because the flight doesn't leave till the morning. But anyway, I'm bringing my driver's license for the US leg of the trip, and then I have a couple cards here, and then my insurance card, and then I have my passport in a passport holder here, and then I have my international driver's license. So this was really easy. It's because I'll be driving in Jeju or renting a car. Because when I tried to look up tours and you know, public transportation, we wanted to stay on the side where, I forgot the name, Segwipu, or on the side more of like the beach area and versus like the city of Jeju, which is near the airport. So I figured let's just rent a car. I drove in Turkey last summer, which was completely fine. So I think I can drive in Jeju. So, but you need an international driver's license. So I have to present my international driver's license, and I believe also my driver's license, and then my passport. So I have all that here. And then I like how Travelon put it in the back, because you just know you don't need anything here. And it's against your hip or your body, so it's also covered that way. And so I just know here is like all the important documents or the cards, right? Everything is important, my purse, but this is just extra protection. All right, those are the two outside pockets. So inside, it's kind of a little bit hard to see, but you could see it has different pockets there. Is that light better? So there's a pocket here, 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 and then this one zips. And then the nice thing here too, this has another little hook where you could put, or I'll probably put the car keys, and then you could put it inside and zip it up, right? The other thing, oh yeah, I wanted to mention for here, with the, we're staying in hotels, and we're not renting any Airbnb. That was just a choice I made because we're doing so much air travel and public transportation. I just thought, let me just do a hotel, and people clean the room every day. We're not gonna cook. It's just too much work. Yeah, so that's, and it's just two of us. But anyway, so I left this part here for the hotel card. Okay. So, you know, you think of those things like if you're renting a car, you have a hotel room, you need keys for the Airbnb. Where are you going to put that stuff in your purse that you'll be carrying with you? Okay. Okay, so let's go back to the inside. So this pocket is kind of like toiletry stuff. So I have the hand sanitizer for sure, right? And this is actually a lip balm. Especially on the plane, traveling, your lips are going to get dry, so make sure you have lip balm. And then this is lotion, and then this is a lash glue liner. I'm not sure if any part of when I'm traveling I'll have my falsies on. I just want to have that available, and that's pretty much the thing. As far as makeup, it's just maybe falsies and then lip balm and then sunscreen, of course. Okay, and then on this little pocket here, I have my portable charger, and this one is Anchor, and this is cute because it's actually like a tripod there, and then you put your phone there, and so you can charge it while your phone is sitting up like that. And I got that because a lot of times my phone is up when I'm working at my desk. My phone is always on a little stand, so that's kind of what I'm used to. Okay, I don't know if that helps to see that. Sorry if the lighting is not... Okay, there. I hope the lighting's better. All right, and then in this middle part, where, you know, there's always a middle part, I have my Meta glasses, okay? And then I have this little pouch, which I got from my personal work bag. So I decided, I'll show you in the next video what I'm actually bringing as my carry-on. I decided not to have my backpack because I didn't want to, we're checking in our carry-on and then one larger bag. So I'm checking in my carry-on, and then we're gonna have a larger bag that can't be carry-on at all. So my daughter's gonna put the carry-on in that large bag and 2 foldable duffels. So going there, we're gonna check in 2 bags, but coming back, we're gonna have 4 bags that we check in. So I decided to just put my laptop in this a smaller rolling carry-on, and I'll show you that in the next video. Because my laptop is heavy, so the backpack, I tried it before, just carrying the backpack without the wheels for my carry-on, because we had checked it in, I forgot which leg of our trip in Istanbul, and it hurt my back. So anyway, that's that. And so this one has like gum, mouthwash, and some lozenges. Okay, my you know, especially in the plane, your throat might be dry. My throat's always dry. I have allergies year round. It doesn't seem to stop no matter where I go. Okay, so that fits really nicely in here. I like how that fits. And oh, I mentioned that other carry-on bag because with my Meta glasses, the charger or the portable charger for that is different because that one needs the USB-C lightning. Is that the right one? Okay. And then this side pocket, I figured on the plane from Seattle to Narita, I'll do at least one face mask and then I'll have another one ready for on the way back. Hair clip or hair claw. Okay, and I do have a hair tie here. Sometimes I put the hair tie on my wrist, but I figured it's a long flight. I won't be doing that. And then this is a grocery, you know, like the plastic grocery bag for trash. You always want to have a little trash bag because it kind of piles up. And even if we have that little mesh space in the seat in front of us where people throw trash in there all the time, like you don't want to be sticking your hand in there too much. So I just like to have a trash bag. We kind of gather it together, mine and my daughter, or sometimes if my husband is traveling with us, and we just have one trash bag, which is really handy to just hand to the flight attendant when, you know, they're picking up trash towards the end of the flight. And then this is kind of hard to open. Okay, there. But this is a hook for your purse. So I always like to carry that. So, you know, when you're in a restaurant or you're at a cafe or maybe you go to the library or you're having afternoon tea or whatever. So you this goes on the table and then your purse can hook onto that. So you don't have to put your purse on the floor. Love these little gadgets. And I also have some Noon hydration tablets, which I'll be putting into my water or bottled water throughout the trip because I use that here all year round, and so definitely I'll use it there because it's good for hydration, because you don't want to just drink water. You have to have some electrolytes. And in Japan, I know for sure we're probably going to have some of that Pocari Sweat. Friends, I apologize. I didn't have my mic on, so I hope the sound was good enough. I don't want to refilm the video, so anyway, hope it's good enough. I finished. The whole video's done, but remember my mic, so here it is. Okay, so that is my personal, this is my purse that I'll be carrying throughout the 18 days that we'll be in Tokyo and Seoul and all the travel that we'll be doing. You know, my umbrella's here, my bottled water's here, and then of course during the day, once we're done actually traveling on the plane, I won't have this. So it'll just be this stuff, right? And then if maybe, I'll probably have this during Busan Festa, but let's say during Tokyo or whatever, I might take this off just to lighten the load already. I might take this. I might just keep Cookie and Chipmunk here. Okay, yeah, but that's my bag. Yeah, I'm excited for our trip. Okay, follow along.